Welcome to TechTube everybody, where we post tech related videos, and in today's video we will be talking about how you guys can download Threads. So Threads is a newly released app which you guys can download from App Store, and it was created by Meta. Alright, so Thread is basically owned by the company which owns Facebook, Instagram. So it's similar to Twitter. Alright, so let me show you how to download it. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel TechTube, then hit that subscribe to our channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, you want to open your app store. Once you open your app store, at the bottom right you can see the search icon. Click on it. Once you're in the search page, at the top where it says search, click on it and search for Threads. Threads. Once you search for Threads, first option Threads over here which says an Instagram app with the @ logo. You can see a cloud icon right beside it. Click on it to download it. Now in my screen it's showing me this cloud icon. In your screen it might show you Get. Doesn't matter if it's a cloud icon or the Get, just click on it and it will start to download. Once it starts to download and install, you can go to your home screen and you can see the Threads logo over here. Once it downloads and installs, just click on it and open it and use it. It's that simple. So that's how you guys can download Threads on your iPhone. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel TechTube. I'll see you guys next time.